Good morning, everybody. I am Bushra Naseem, Assistant Professor in Fine Arts Section of Women's College, AMU Aligarh. And for the seminar presentation, I have chosen the story of a pencil. This is a story inspired from a parable, The Story of a Pencil, originally taken from the book The Flowing River by Paulo Coelho. In the original parable, the author defined five roles to a pencil, which in this story a grandmother is trying to convey to grandson, and through that she is telling him to become a good human being. What role pencil play in its lifetime can be compared to a role a good human can play in his or her life. The pencil has five attributes. The first and foremost, the pencil cannot do anything on its own unless it is held in somebody's hand and it take command from that hand. Similarly, any human being is guided by an invisible hand of God, and if he follow the path defined by God, he is bound to be a good human being. Second virtue of pencil according to author is that in the process of writing it is to be sharpened from time to time. Similarly, a human being in the process of growing up makes mistakes, make mistakes and suffer from hardships from time to time, and these experiences make him a better human being by learning from his or her experiences. In the process of writing, there are mistakes committed by pencil, and these mistakes can be erased and corrected. Similarly, when we make mistakes in life, and if we realize them, we can always correct them and evolve as a better human being. The exterior appearance of the pencil is wood, decorative and hard, while the interior is dark and softer graphite, which actually leave a lasting impression, which is important when we compare this attribute of pencil with human. The opposite happens. We always get attracted by external beauty of the person, but what is more important is the inside beauty of the person, which we only realized with the passage of time. Lastly, when the pencil writes on paper, it leaves its mark. Similarly, a good human being should be able to leave a lasting impression whosoever he meets or come in contact with under any circumstances in his life. So, the grandmother, through the story of a pencil, is guiding her grandson to become a good human being. Thank you.